The S is for substitution, the N for nucleophilic, as in the nucleophile is important in the reaction. The 1 is telling it's a uni, or one molecule, and this means that at the end of the day, you only have to pay attention to one molecule that plays the most important role in the reaction. So the most important molecule is the E, the electrophile to leaving group bonded molecule. Because the electrophile, which has a leaving group bound to it, this electrophile leaving group bond must first break. And this is a very slow reaction, because bonds do not naturally break. And so there's an equilibrium that's formed, and it slowly has this leaving group leave, taking all the electron density with it between this electrophile and leaving group. And once this cationic electrophile is formed, and the leaving group has left, the nucleophile now has a chance to attack this electrophilic center. And this is what allows